Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing okay. Alright, so to all the container gardeners, shout out to you guys putting in the work, doing what you got to do to get that food going. Shout out to you guys. I'm just doing this container gardening to motivate some people, you know what I'm saying, to give them that motivation that you do not have to have a big space to really grow some food, some herb, whatever you want to do. But in this area I have lots of herbs. I have okra, I have lemon, I have lime, I have tomatoes, so many things in this little garden space. This is lemon. The lemon already have a lemon already. This is a lime. This is mint, chocolate mint, scallion, turmeric, sage, tomato, all kind of plants I have in this area. I also have avocado, which I'm going to show you. I'm transplanting an avocado and a lime plant and a yam in a minute. So these okra already start pushing out blossom. Plus I have a cart full with different type of herbs. Alright, so we have a bunch of tomato slip coming up here that I'm going to be transplanting very soon when the rain start coming. I'm going to plant them in the raised bed. This is a lemongrass growing up here. Nice squash, basil, Greek oregano. This is pineapple mint. You know, different type of stuff. We have cinnamon, basil. Over here now we have turmeric, scallion, and we also have yam that I plant in the soil. We have turmeric, we have all different type of herbs we have growing in this small area. So what I want to do now, I want to transplant a yam. So I want to show you guys how I transplant yam in a container. This is the yam here already growing up. I plant them in this soil, but at the same time I just wanted them to gather that root. So now I'm taking the yam up, which the yam have lots of roots around it. Lots of roots around it, you see, and it's already start growing. So this is a yam, look at it, bunch of root. So I'm gonna take it over here with you, and look here guys, I already have one transplant and one growing here. So now I'm going to plant this one. I have the soil. You need a big enough plant because yam get big, and you need a big enough pot so that yam can grow and make some room to give you good size yam. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna place it, hold on, yeah, I'm gonna place it down in this area just like this, and now I'm gonna, you see, I take it and I place it in the hole. So now let's cover this yam and let this yam do its job, just like that. Transplant a yam. So this is one growing here, and I know transplant one here that you can see. All right, so now I'm going to transplant an avocado plant. You see so much I'm doing in this little space, guys. So please do not get discouraged and believe you need 3 acres of land. to plant some food. So in this pot, this is the miracle pot. This pot, anything you push in this soil, I guarantee it's gonna grow. So now we have two avocado plants in this container. So alright, so damn, it's deep. Yes. So this is one. This is it right here. Look at the roots. So I already dig the hole. So what I do, I put it down inside here. Even though I know I need a new pot, but the thing about it is, these avocado, I don't think they grow. They can stand the cold weather. So I'm just, you know, I'm just enjoying the time growing avocado, even though I know that I mightn't get nothing from them, but who knows, maybe someone might be interested and need an avocado plant and they can get it. Simple as that. We have another one here growing up, but I'm not gonna take that out right now. I gotta get a pot for it first. But here we have a bunch of tomatoes growing. So this is basically it, guys. Right in this little area, I'm growing yam, lemon, lemongrass, lime, tomatoes, every little thing in this little space. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video motivates you guys. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell. Peace and love.